Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's get that griddle nice and hot at 330 degree F, 165 degrees C. This temperature is perfect for achieving that golden brown color we're looking for. While it's heating up, you can prepare your ingredients and get everything organized. You'll know the griddle is ready when you can feel the heat radiating from about 6 inches above the surface. Now let's prep our cooking surface. Take a paper towel, add a small amount of cooking oil, and gently wipe it across the griddle. This thin layer is crucial. Too much oil will make greasy pancakes. Too little and they'll stick. The surface should look slightly glossy, but not have any visible pools of oil. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to start cooking. Pour your pancake batter onto the griddle. I usually use about 1/4 cup of the 2 cups of batter per pancake to get a nice medium size. The batter should spread into a circle naturally. If it spreads too quickly, your batter might be too thin. Here comes the fun part, adding our mix-ins. You can sprinkle some of the 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, drop in pieces of your mashed banana, or scatter some of the 1/2 cup of peanut butter chips onto each pancake. Do this right after pouring the batter, so the toppings can settle in nicely. Watch for those telltale bubbles to form on the surface. This is your signal. The edges should look slightly dry and set. You'll know it's time to flip when the bubbles in the center stay open and don't fill back in with batter. Now, for the flip, the moment of truth. Slide your spatula completely under the pancake and flip it with confidence. The first side should be a beautiful golden brown. This second side will cook faster than the first, usually about 2 minutes. Let's check if they're done. The second side should match the golden brown color of the first side. And when you press lightly in the center with your spatula, the pancake should spring back. If it leaves an indent, give it another 30 seconds. Time to serve these beauties. Transfer them straight to warm plates. Pancakes are always best fresh off the griddle. If you're making multiple batches, you can keep them warm in a low-temperature oven at about 200 degree F. Between batches, take a fresh paper towel with a bit of oil and quickly wipe down the griddle. This removes any burnt bits and preps the surface for your next round. The griddle should still feel hot. If it doesn't, give it a minute to come back up to temperature. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.